everybody. We're just gonna hop right on in. I got this earlier in the month of July, but this is the Hip Kit Club for this month. Well, this past month by the time you're seeing it. So we're just gonna go through the papers. These were really pretty. I love that front page. We have this really pretty yellow pattern, and I like how it's mimicked on the other side. Some more florals, but this watercolor paper, oh my god, it is so pretty. You have the flamingos, which I'm not big into flamingos, but they can be fun depending on the photo. And of course the dark blue on the back. This one is stunning. Just when you have stuff like this, it's such a great paper to like really build up off of, you know. And this is screaming for you to fussy cut. And then it has the pink stripes on the back. And you have the rainbow paper, which I've been slowly getting more and more into the rainbow stuff. But I also like that plaid on the back. Sort of like, it's orangey, but like a peachy orange. And then you get this cut apart paper, or you can use the backside, which is nice as well. And I did the paper collection kit as an add-on, so I actually have 2 of each of the main papers. Now we're going to start with, I'm just showing you the other collection, so I just added it all together into one of the plastic baggies. Now this is the elements that came with the main kit, I believe. So they have a lot of the different like ephemera pieces. Like that camera is so cute, and it's open in the center, so you could like hook it onto a photo, you know, do some fun stuff with your layouts. And you get so many pieces in there. You have these really like 3D stickers. I think I pull it out here so you can kind of see, but there's like all these layers. And so like sometimes you'll see some of the ladies peel some of the layers apart to make it more flat. I like dimension on my layout, so the foam doesn't bother me. We get the puffy stickers, which are always fun. We get the alpha, puffy alpha, and it's in the white, which is nice. You know, you can do a mixed media background, and these will stand out on it because they're white. And then this, the large, they're kind of, I think they call them puffy stickers as well, but I mean, they're sentiments, right? They're like titles, large titles for your projects. And then you get all these pretty flowers all around mixed in. I love when they have stuff like that because you feel like you get more bang for your buck and it lasts forever. And then I have the color kit, and I'm showing you the different colors. What I love about the little color kits is, I know like for some people, it feels like you get in the same colors, the pink, blue, and the yellow. But a lot of times we get that because you can make so many different colors by color mixing, and it really forces you to try, using the gold and the pink or the yellow and the pink to create an interesting orange, or vice versa, the yellow and the blue to create a green. And then they always have a really cool stencil or some type of element to go with the color kits. I love the stripe one. It can be good for any season, but I'm really excited thinking about it for Christmas, you know, like a create your own plaid or something like that. That would be fun. Okay, so now I'm going to move those 2 kits away. And we're going to pull out, I believe this is the embellishment kit. So you get an entire collection of flowers. There's butterflies. And it's created for, it's a Hip Kit special. Like a, I can't even think. So is these. This is the banners. And these are so stinking cute. They really are. Hello Summer. I like that. The tassels, and I believe you get 6, if I'm not mistaken. You get 6 in there. And then they're really good at coordinating what they create that's from Hip Kit to everything that they're putting into their packages. And then we get these puffy stickers, which are gold. And really, can you have too many gold? I don't think so. I do like how you have the like capital letters and the lowercase letters in that particular group. And I'm just trying to, I always try to keep my stuff together with how it came, but eventually I gotta figure out how to store this stuff. So, because it gets to be a lot, and I want to use my kits, you know. So in the Pocket Life kit, you get the chipboard pieces, more ephemera, in case you haven't gotten enough in the first two kits. Some of the enamel dots, which I absolutely love and will use. These rub-on stickers, which it's been so long. I didn't realize how much I love rub-on stickers, and I'm so excited that they're in this kit. And I'm trying to figure out not to hoard this kit, but to actually use it. You get these stickers, which remind me of the Tim Holtz ones, if you've ever seen those, and they match, of course, they coordinate with the collection for Pink Fresh. And then you get the different Pocket Life cards, and I'm gonna go through them pretty quickly here. I don't remember if I zoom in. I think I zoom in a little bit. Yeah. So all of their pocket cards are one-sided, which is really nice. And then I saw Missy in one of her videos. She used one of the cards, and used her like heart punch and created like a punch with it. I'm like, okay. Like I wouldn't have thought of that. I'm like, okay, I gotta figure out how to use these rectangles and these cards and try and fit them in somehow with these kits, because this is out of my comfort zone. But when I saw that, I was like, okay, that's just a little bit ingenious. Like for me, that was like one of those mind-blowing moments. Like, it's there, you have these items, but I just never would have thought to do that. So if you're not subscribed to them on YouTube, definitely go to the Hip Kit Club on YouTube. You get tons of videos, from cards to scrapbook layouts. They even do journals. I mean, they do so much, and it's very inspiring to see all the different projects for their kits. You can really be inspired by so many different styles. So now I'm going to zoom back out, and I'm bringing everything back in. I'm telling you guys, these kits come with a lot, and you can do just the main kit and still feel like you get a lot that you don't get in other kits, because of the extras, the embellishments, and the thickers, the letters. You can do a lot with just the main kit, but I'm definitely one of those crafters with the syndrome of I gotta have it all. So I get almost all of the kits except for the solid cardstock. So thank you guys for joining me. Make sure you hit the like, subscribe, and share button. And at the very end here, I will have links to previous haul videos and to a video here from my channel. So thanks again, you guys, and I hope you have a great day.